Posters have once again surfaced in Srinagar and other areas with the solidarity and the greeting messages for the people and the government of Pakistan on Pakistan Day being celebrated today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the posters and the flags appeared in Srinagar, Bandipur, Doda and other areas. The posters displayed by APHC and other Hurriyat organizations were inscribed with the slogans like "Hum Pakistani hai, Pakistan Hamara hai." All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter on the Pakistan Day today said that joining Pakistan is a long-held dream of the Kashmiris which will surely come true. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC IIOJK convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar and other leaders in a joint statement in Islamabad congratulated the people and the government of Pakistan on the National Day. Kargil Democratic Alliance has announced to join the hunger strike by the Ladakhi environmental activist Sonam Wangchuk from tomorrow in the Leh town of the Ladakh region. According to Kashmir Media Service, Sonam Wangchuk's hunger strike entered the 18th day today. He has been braving extreme sub-zero temperature under the open skies along with his supporters to push for the key demands of the people of the Ladakh. Central Intelligence Organization, a sensitive agency of the Zimbabwe, has arrested several Indians, including a retired Colonel Sidhu Singh, for the involvement in the illegal activities. According to Kashmir Media Service, the retired colonel and others were arrested for their involvement in the illegal trade of arms, medicine, gold and lithium. These people were arrested during a crackdown. Sidhu Singh has been associated with the Armed Indian Special Forces Unit. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah and People's Democratic Party Chief Mehbooba Mufti have spoken out against the recent arrest of the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. According to Kashmir Media Service, PDP President Mehbooba Mufti, in a statement issued in Srinagar, condemned the Kejriwal's arrest as an act of the political vendetta. High Court of Occupied Kashmir has quashed the detention of 4 innocent Kashmiris booked under the draconian the Public Safety Act and ordered their immediate release. According to Kashmir Media Service, the court quashed the detention orders of Rashid Habib Zargar of the Kupwara, Amir Ahmed Rathar of Kulgam, Danish Bashir Dar of Srinagar and Suhail Shabir Ganai of Budgam.